I'm here to teach you how to speak proper English in some different scenarios. Today's scenario will be about meeting new people and introducing yourself to them. Enjoy!
Stop going on your phone. Did you forget that we need to go to the airport to pick up your exchange partner?
Okay, let's go.
Hi, are you Ben? I'm Jack.
Nice to meet you, Jack. I'm so excited.
Hi, Jack. I'm Ben's roommate, Jill. Let's go home.
When you meet someone, you should tell them your name first so that the other person knows who they are talking to. Start by saying who you are. You can say I am, or you can say my name is. You could also say something polite, such as nice to meet you or it's a pleasure. Now, let's continue with our story. Jack, Ben, and Jill are on their way home.
Thank you for letting me stay here.
No problem.
If you are visiting other people and you are living with them, you should be polite and thank them. Let's continue with our story now.
As you know, I'm Jack and I'm from Italy. I work at a bookstore as a clerk and I have a pet dog.
I can't wait for us to do all the activities that Jill and I have planned.
But we first need to go shopping for clothes because you didn't bring a suitcase.
When you meet someone new, you could also tell them where you are from and any fun facts about yourself. Now, let's recap on what we learned today about introducing yourself to new people. When you meet someone new, you should always say your name first so that they know who you are. You should also be polite and you could say, "Nice to meet you." If you are staying with someone else at their home, you could always be polite and thank them. That's all for our lesson today about introducing yourself to new people. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.